Throw that Glock up on me, we ain't worried, get your head split. Big bank out, I got money, watch her hand big. I'm sliding like a motherfucker on that head. Put it up one for now, I ain't never worried about these bitch ass niggas. Got choppers in the Glock 9, nigga run up, we gon' split that nigga. And I'm rolling like right now, throw a B.O.N, I'm a big old nigga. I'm B.O.P, I'm a big old player. Oh, bitch ass nigga, I don't feel you, nigga. The top down, baby girl keep tweaking, she won't smoke on no. He shot down, nigga run up on me, nigga, like I ain't got my pole.
What's up, it's your boy back with another vlog. You already know the vibes. So SRT4 clutch replacement. So pretty much what we got is the ACT Pro Light flywheel, 6-puck race disc, and then we also got the extreme pressure plate. Of course, that truck was mad loud. Of course, we got the release bearing and alignment tool. So let's jump into it. Shout out to MA Performance for sending this over. If you're looking for one, link will be down in the description below. But let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do is pretty much we're gonna get this wheel off so we have better access to this. Take off the front bumper, and then we'll go from there. All right, so now that we got the bumper off, now we gotta take this thing off, and I think that's it for now. We'll take this thing off, remove the battery and all that good stuff, remove the battery holder, and yeah. So we got most of this shit out. So pretty much we still got this piece out. We still gotta work on taking this out. Might end up having to remove this, and then for sure we're going to end up having to pull the axle out so we could get access to that. Try and show you guys. So pretty much you see right there, this is the axle, and the axle goes directly into here, and then tranny and TK's pretty much split. So that's where we're at right now. All right, so we pretty much got everything done on this end. Now we're just basically taking out all the transmission bolts and everything, so that way we can get ready to drop the trans. We got exhaust manifold out, starter out, battery out, front bumper off entirely. Oh, and the house caught on fire. So yeah. All right, y'all boys, so it's a new day. My dad pulled all this shit out, got this out. You feel me? Boom. Watch this, watch this, watch this. This ain't supposed to do this. Gone. Straight up gone. The clutch out, you feel me? Boom. This shit was literally off of this shit. This shit's straight up basura. Pressure plate. And then fucking flywheel. Alright, y'all boys, so we got the clutch in. Everything's fully lined up. I wiped this down, got grease all over it, but fully lined up. It does come with a little, like, I want to say like a little pilot bearing that's in there. It's like a little plastic piece to help line it up. When we took the original one off, it had that piece in there, so pretty much we put that piece back in there, got everything lined up properly. But for the most part, I'm not 1000% sure if that piece will end up causing issues in the future, but going off the last one, it had it in there. Well, y'all boys, as y'all can see, we finally got it done. All put back together, running. Clutch is hitting. Yeah. Oh my God.
See if we can find me that part.
I got this. Damn. Yeah, when she grabs, she grabs. What the fuck?
that Glock up on me, we ain't worried, get your head split.